Working at Centaur is an engineer's dream. It's the place where you can go in order to maximize and learn to be the best engineer you possibly can.
So my main forte is designing circuits.
I'm a layout designer. I write Verilog code.
Instruction performance analysis.
I'm a chip designer.
I'm an engineer at Centaur.
Internally, we actually don't even have job titles.
We have such a small team. We can adopt changes very quickly, incorporate feedback very quickly.
If you see a need, you can fill that need.
If you have an idea, implement it. If you want to try something, do it.
New problems surface. Attack that problem.
Maybe this is something that I can really help with. This is something that's not being addressed correctly.
At Centaur, you have to be self-directed.
I think as an engineer, it is our job to figure out what needs to be done.
Get into new areas, even areas that you're not familiar with. You have to be able to wear different hats.
You have to be willing to learn because there's a lot to learn here.
Be willing to ask for help if needed.
As much as we engineers might like to think it, we can't do everything by ourselves.
Go ask somebody,
These are also some of the smartest people I've ever worked with.
When someone builds something here, you can go into their office and ask them what they intended, which is incredible.
If you want to go talk to the person who designed the entire pipeline, he's just down the hall.
Just hook it up. You can totally do that here. I love that about this company.
One of the ways that we accomplish so much is because we have such little management overhead.
We don't need it here. Basically what we have is a series of very smart people who are all here to be engineers.
There's always the next thing to work on. There's always the next thing to do. You can't ask to be put into a better spot to experience more.